A national bird. Peacock, the national bird of India, is a colorful bird with a fan-shaped crest of feathers, a white patch under the eye, and a long, slender neck. Vividly colorful with aesthetic grace, the peacock commands a lot of attention. The male of the species is more colorful than the female, with a glistening blue breast and neck and a bronze-green tail of about 200 elongated feathers. The female is brownish, slightly smaller than the male, and lacks the colorful tail. Peacocks like the rainy season. They strut in joy when the clouds appear. They dance in the drizzle. The elaborate dance of the male fanning out the tail and preening its feathers is a gorgeous sight. The peacock and its feather were prominent motifs in Mughal architecture. They are still popular motifs in logos, textiles, patterns, designs, etc. It was chosen as a national bird because of its unique qualities.